one of the things that your advantage, pag doon tayo sa marketing, is stories. Ano ibig sabihin, Sir John? Kunwari, magka-competitor tayo. Or same topic, same Philippine market. You see, here's one thing. Some people will resonate to you. Some people will resonate to me. So for example, dati kang OFW and you tell that story in your marketing and sales. And guess what? What will happen? You will attract those people na mga dating OFW or mga family or relatives nila ay nasa mga OFW. Make sense? So story is one of those things. And I personally do not think that it is that intense yung competition, but competition is good. Competition also simply validate that the idea that we have ay make sense at may opportunity. But saying it too intense maybe or even intense, I'm not sure, especially for the Philippine market. I know because I did a lot of research, even the most competitive one, even those people na masasabi mo ng expert in the Philippines, I just think, and there are so many opportunities that is really like wide open right now. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.